Hi, I'm Janae with Janae's Tropicals in St. Petersburg, Florida. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to take care of asparagus plants. You'll need the following materials: a great compost such as mushroom compost, cottonseed meal, blood meal, anything natural and organic to add lots of rich nutrients. For the first 2 years, you need to add lots of rich organics. Asparagus plants love cottonseed meal, and you can use this heavily throughout the first 2 years. And then also they need watering at least a couple times a week. Once they get established, they're fairly drought tolerant. After they're about 2 years old, water once a week, just a good deep water, and then they should be good to go. During the summertime, you want to give them a really deep watering at least once a week, and mulching helps to hold moisture as well. However, just watch the watering during the rainy season. You might want to hold off because if they stay too wet, they can actually rot. But here you have it. We have lots of brand new little shoots coming up, and at this point they're ready for harvest, and I'm going to enjoy them. I'm Janae with Janae's Tropicals. Have a wonderful day.